Hello, my name is Alex and I'm very excited to introduce you to ARSOS Operations and Maintenance Monitor. ARSOS Monitor is our cloud-based monitoring and control platform designed to facilitate the digitalization of renewable energy assets. This module helps owners and asset managers optimize the management of their portfolio no matter the geographical location or the technology of the assets. The first dashboard delivered by ARSOS Monitor shows a summary of the portfolio global performance. This view suits perfectly when displayed in video walls. The user can evaluate in real time how the different technologies of the portfolio are performing in terms of energy production, availability, and load factor, and how the spot market prices are affecting the overall profitability. Furthermore, ARSOS Monitor provides its users with 3 additional dashboards to get detailed views in real time of the status of the fleet both at site level and generation unit level. These views are differentiated by wind, solar technologies, and others. These dashboards use the supervision of multi-technology portfolios, summarizing and pre-filtering the most relevant real-time information for the user. For instance, from the site-level dashboard, the user, through the Alerts Summary widget, receives information about any open alert linked to the real-time status of those sites affected by issues directly gathered from the site SCADA or related to no production episodes, or analogous critical episodes that are labeled as severe by the user in the onboarding phase, and as a consequence automatically supervised and summarized here. ARSOS Monitor enables the centralized automated supervision of the whole fleet of wind turbines and solar inverters. In this demo, you can see a snapshot of how our customers can monitor more than 600 wind turbines of 8 different manufacturers and 15 wind turbine models from one single dashboard. This provides a centralized view of all wind turbines of the portfolio, with a harmonized perspective. At all times, those users with the necessary permissions enabled and in those sites with the remote control functionality configured can take control of the wind turbines to start or stop them manually. We know data is the foundation of digitalization. For this reason, ARSOS Monitor provides its users with multiple mechanisms to access and manage data quality. From the Data Hub dashboard, users can check the connectivity to all devices. Enter the Communications tab to quickly access to the latest alerts related to communication issues. From the Integrity tab, you can visualize the result of a data quality check, showing our customers data quality and integrity metrics to identify data issues. Finally, access the Data Studio tab, the perfect tool to quickly query all raw data, aggregated data, and KPIs of your interest. Select the data sources, event from different technologies, the variables of interest, and the period to query, and click on Draw. You can also export and reuse the most frequently used queries. Data is accessible through our standard OData API, which means you can access to the ARSOS database from your preferred commercial reporting tool, for instance Power BI. Here you can see some examples of Power BI dashboards designed to calculate curtailment losses, revenue and production versus budget. With ARSOS and Power BI, any report is a few clicks away, and you are in full control of how your KPIs and metrics are calculated. ARSOS Monitor, together with its local extension ARSOS Edge, provides Green Eagle Solutions clients with a reliable real-time data acquisition system to automatically supervise multi-technology renewable energy portfolios. Reliable data gathering, customizable data normalization, flexible HMIs, and automated compatibility with Power BI to scale up reporting demands. All of this, along with cutting-edge remote control capabilities, make ARSOS Monitor the monitoring platform of choice.